Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're unboxing another phone that we bought from Lazada, and it just arrived today. We're gonna open it from the box so that I don't have to edit the video anymore to hide my contact details. Okay, so so we bought this in Lazada the other day. It was in the flash sale. We bought it for 2,250 pesos only. I'm not using my flip top knife because I can't find it. So, maganda naman yung pagka-pack niya, no? So, it's well packed with bubble wrap. Okay? We're gonna open it now. And we're just gonna slide it out. Yeah. Balot na balot. So this phone comes from ORRO. Pag tingin mo parang Oppo eh. I think this is a fake Oppo. A5s, ORRO A5s. So hindi ko naisip yun eh. RAM is 2GB, ROM is 16GB, 6.26 IPS screen, 1.3 GHz quad core, back camera 8 megapixel, front camera is 5 megapixel, and the battery is 3000 milliamperes. Okay, it actually reminds me of Oppo. The color is supposedly blue. Okay, the model is the A5s. Oh my god. Okay. So baliktad siya. So as you can see, this is the phone. So malapit naman yung kulay niya, no? Magaan na magaan siya. It's very light. So it comes with a removable battery. Okay. May wipe siya, so I assume meron siyang screen protector mamaya. Okay. It's a micro USB. Okay. Headsets, wall charger. It also comes with the free plastic silicone case. Okay. And that's it. Wala namang kasamang yun. Okay. May kasama siyang, it comes with a tempered glass. Oh, social tempered glass ang kasama. Okay. So we're gonna put it in now. No, we're not gonna put the tempered glass. Okay. As you can see, it says 3000 milliamperes ang battery niya. Okay. So I assume this is a removable, standard, gilid lang. Okay. You can use your fingernails, especially if it's long like mine. It uses two micro SIMs from what I can see. And the the micro SD card. Okay, micro USB. Okay, so it's ORRO, not Oppo. Now, turn it on. So, as I mentioned, it says 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM, may face recognition, quad core, 6.26 IPS daw. Okay. So let's see if it turns on. If it has power. Okay, it has power. The volume button and the power button are both located on the right side. Okay. It said, it's a dual camera yung likod, ano? Triple pa nga. I don't think it's a real triple. Yeah. So it just says rear camera is 8 megapixels. Wala siyang fingerprint scanner. Okay, so skip. Later na yan. Skip. Pattern. Okay, so it won't let us skip the pattern for Ay, okay. So the screen looks okay so far. Malaki siya, no? It's big. It's almost as big as the my phone. Okay. So it uses a standard interface for the camera ng Android, you know. I've seen this so much time, many times in Kata and other phones. Where's the settings? Okay. So it's Android 9, so that's Pie, if I remember correctly. Pie? Pie. Okay, now, and then let's see the storage. So it used 2.24 GB of ROM. So you have about 13 something left for your phone. We've tried to search online about the specs of this phone, and it's just the same that as I mentioned. I can't find anything about the 3 cameras that it has here. I don't think these 3 cameras are real. I think these are fake. But they have it in Lazada. It's on sale right now. So it's 2,100 something. So it's cheaper than when I bought it. Almost the same because I had to pay shipping for this one. So I can't. Looks like they have a lot of lines. I'm searching online right now, but they don't have the A5s model right here. So I'm at mob.org and it says ORRO. So try it on your own, guys, but we'll see in the next couple of days what this phone looks like and how it works once you're able to put it through the paces and do the Antutu test to check it out. So that's a quick unboxing for the ORRO A5s, which awfully sounds like an Oppo, and well, according to them on the Lazada page, it's a OEM brand, it's their own brand. So you can buy it in Lazada and try it out for yourselves. Thanks guys, bye!